would wear this on a makeout date. Like if I just knew it was gonna happen. Hello, beautiful besties, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. If you are returning, you know I love you like I love cooked food, and welcome back, Dwelling. Today we are talking about one and done fragrances. Some of you might be thinking, one and done, what is that? It's one fragrance that can fit the bill for all occasions, also meaning it can fit the bill for all seasons. It's different from a signature scent because a signature scent is something that you want to be known for. A fragrance that when someone smells it, they automatically think of you. So these are a ton of different fragrances that will fit the bill for multiple occasions and different vibes in your life. Whether it's a date night, whether it's a girls' night out, brunch, high tea, a play, a musical, a theater of the opera, you get the vibe, right? So here are 10, I'm gonna try and stick to the assignment, that I would recommend. Let's start with one that recently sparked this video's interest. The fragrance was by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is Gentle Fluidity Gold, also known as like the rich auntie fragrance. It's a beautiful vanilla, coriander, nutmeg. It's gorgeous. It can fit the bill for winter, spring, summer, fall. You can wear this to any occasion. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a perfect work scent. It's perfect to wear to church. This can literally be your one and done. I absolutely love this fragrance. Let's also remember that fragrances are subjective. So on me, I might get 8 hours plus. You might get 4 hours. It's always great to try before you buy. So if you were asking me for an elevated vanilla fragrance, something that's gonna fit the bill but not be too overbearing or in your face, I would definitely recommend Gentle Fluidity Gold. I move on. Another one. Now these are not seasonal, you guys. I don't really typically reach for my fragrance according to the season. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I reach for what I want and what I'm feeling at the time. This I wore a lot in the summer though. This is Ananda Nectar. This is by Micallef. This fragrance makes me happy. It's beautiful, it's classy, it's upbeat. Pear, plum, mimosa. It's got violet, white musk, and like I said, vanilla. It's a powdery fragrance. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's absolutely gorgeous. I fell in love with this. This was definitely a love at first sniff. It's a 2022 release. There's your atomizer there, and it's just a beautiful fragrance. It's soft, it's light, so if you don't want something loud at all, or intrusive, or in your face, or that's gonna disturb your peace, most of the fragrances that I like are like that. But if you want something on a lighter note, something that even if you work in maybe a medical field, maybe, depending on what your task is there, I would say give this one a try. I do have a discount code for it. I will have it linked in the description box below. Again, this is Ananda Nectar, and this is by Micallef. A lot of times you guys are always asking, how can I try fragrances before I buy them? Where should I shop to try fragrances? I tell you guys all the time about maxaroma.com, which they have tons of niche fragrances, and they have fragrances that you can try before you buy. One of their collections or their brands that I absolutely love is the House of Distant. Game of Joy is my favorite. You can head over to their website, grab yourself a sample, and try it out. When it comes to fragrances, if you love blind buying, have at it. But if you want to save some coins, try before you buy, or you just want to save some coins on a full bottle, I would say check out maxaroma.com. I do have a discount code. It will save you 10% off. So if you're interested, all of the information will be linked in the description box below. Another one would be by Tom Ford, and this is Soleil Neige. I discovered this fragrance while I was running on the beach. I smelled this at first in store and was like, absolutely not. It's too light. It's not my vibe. I totally don't get it. I then took it on vacation with me in a sample because I'm always the type of girl that likes to try before she buys. And I took it on the beach and I was running and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so cool. It's so refreshing. Some might reach for this, like I said, more in the summer, but I know people who use this as their signature scent and wear it all year round. It is so beautiful. I would consider it to be a year-round fragrance. Again, that depends on where you live. Here in LA, even if it got down to 50, 45 degrees, I can still rock this and be loving it. I would probably mix it with something because that's just where I'm at in life. Allow me to also say, I feel this is a clean aesthetic fragrance as well, a pretty girl fragrance. It opens up with bergamot. It's got carrot seed, orange blossom, Turkish rose, benzoin, and vanilla. The longevity on me would be moderate, so this is one that I would highly recommend. Like I said, again, if you're wanting something on the lighter side, I move on. When I first got this fragrance, I couldn't put it down, and I still can't put it down. I slept in this every single night for I don't know how long, and I finally told myself, okay girl, it's enough. And this is Phlur. You guys, this is Vanilla Skin. This is so good. So if you love a vanilla fragrance, more of a clean skin type of vanilla fragrance, not too pancake syrupy at all, because you know I do not like fragrances that smell like food. It's just not my vibe. If that's your vibe, you know, that's great. But for me, I don't really like to smell like food. Back to Vanilla Skin. This is really good. It's sugar crystal. It's got cashmere and woods and vanilla. This is more of like a skin scent, but it's so good and it's refreshing. This is a type of vanilla that I like. I would consider this to go run errands, to get my hair done, a mani-pedi. I would wear this out shopping. I would wear this on a first date. I would wear this on a make-out date. Like if I just knew it was gonna happen, I would wear something like this because this wouldn't be too off-putting. It would smell like your skin, but better. It would be so like approachable. Is that the right word? Approachable? I can't think of the word. I'm gonna have to put it in here. It's just, the word is kind of like that word. It's kind of like approachable. It's just like, it's versatile, of course, but that's not the word I'm trying to say. I can't think of the word. It's an easy reach. It's easy to wear. It's easy to pair. It's definitely one of those. If you haven't checked out Vanilla Skin, they have a body spray as well. I would highly, highly recommend checking it out. This is good, darling. I move on. Now moving into something a little bit sweeter in my opinion. This is Ylang in Gold, and this is by Micallef as well. So again, I do have a discount code for this. This is the special edition. That's why my bottle looks like this, you guys. This is so good. And when you spray this out, it has like gold specks as well. You know I'm a gold girl through and through, so this is right up my alley. I absolutely love this. It's citrus, it's sandalwood, vanilla, coconut. It's kind of powdery too when it dries down. It's beautiful, it has a beautiful shimmer. Now, if you're more sexy, you like more of a date night kind of vibe, because let's be clear, let's take a quick 2.5. Just because something is a one and done doesn't mean it has to commit to one personality type. It doesn't have to be a sexy fragrance. It doesn't have to be a clean girl fragrance. It doesn't have to be a gourmand. It doesn't have to be a floral. It can be whatever you feel at that moment that you want to put on, and you want that fragrance to convey what you are trying to express or feel. So that's why I said all of these are one and dones. You can put these fragrances on and rock them anywhere. All the places I mentioned, you can rock them. They're all going to give you a different vibe. They're all going to give you a different feeling. They're all going to make you feel what I just said, make you feel a different way. If I were to put this one on, out of the ones that I just mentioned, this one would probably make me feel a little bit more dressy. It would put me a little bit more in the zone of a date night vibe, of a girl's night out. It's a pretty girl fragrance as well. Pretty girl, pretty woman. It's vanilla, it's sweet. It kind of almost gives off a plastic vibe, but the best type of plastic done in the best way. Almost equivalent to that lipstick plastic. If you ever like opened up a brand new lipstick and smelt it a little bit, it also gives off that waxy kind of vibes. It's soft, it's classy, it's pretty. You cannot go wrong with this one and done. I move on. Now let's say your vibe is a little bit more sexy. Let's say your vibe is a little bit more warm, sensual, cozy, maybe like blackcurrant, bourbon vanilla, something in that realm. I would tell you, of course, I'm going to recommend it. This is Donna Born in Roma. This is Valentino, the original. I have all the flankers. This one still holds the #1 spot in my heart. To me, you can wear this anywhere, anytime, any place, any occasion, any season. You get what I'm saying here? It just depends if this is your vibe and this is how you want to feel. If I was gonna go, let's say, to church in the morning, and then after church we were gonna go to brunch, and then after brunch we were gonna do a little light shopping, and then after a little light shopping maybe we were gonna go see a movie of some sort, and then after the movie we were gonna go out for a coffee and then sit out and talk about the movie that we had just seen. This is the type of fragrance I would reach for, especially if I was with like that special someone, if I wanted to flirt a little bit, if I was out on the prowl, I was trying to be seen, but I didn't want to do it loud. I wanted to do it low key, like fall back, like I know you smell me, hello. This is one fragrance that can fit the bill. That's what I'm talking about when I say a one and done. If you get what I'm talking about, I want you to hashtag in the comment section right now, one and done. And then I also want you to let me know what's one fragrance in your collection that you would consider to be a one and done fragrance. Let's open up the dialogue. Let's share some fragrances. I move on. Now this one's gonna be a little bit different. I stumbled upon this fragrance because I went to an event and this one woman, girl, I don't know you guys, okay? But she kept walking back and forth. I did not know her. And every time she would walk back and forth, I kept smelling it, but I was like, okay, why don't I know this? And she, you know, would stand in line because we were like getting like a picture drawn or something. And I was kind of behind her. I didn't know if it was a shampoo in her hair. I really didn't know because you know how I feel about people's hair not smelling good. Anyway, that's another story. I got a video on it. Make sure you your hair smells good too, not just your body. So I was standing behind her and I was like, what is that smell? So I asked her, I go, what are you wearing? She said, I'm wearing Parfums de Mali. I'm wearing Meliora. You could tell by the bottle, the dent is real. I love it. I typically reach for it cold weather, but mostly when I have a craving for it. It's a fruity fragrance, berry-esque, but floral, fruity. It's kind of upbeat, but then at the same time with the spices in it, it's kind of like sensual and sexy and seductive, but all while being a daytime fragrance. You know what I mean? Something in the daytime. But if it happened to slip into the evening, like you wouldn't be mad at it. It has enough depth that it would still chase it and go there. It's a spicy, fruity fragrance. Signature scent worthy, I wrote down. Black currant, red berries, rose, vanilla, and musk. It's a moderate fragrance. This is gorgeous. I don't hear a lot of people talk about it, but if you're interested in something, I would say check this out. You can also shop a lot of these fragrances at maxaroma.com and save some coin. I move on. Vanilla 28 by Kayali. This is an oldie but goodie. It's a vanilla fragrance. It's beautiful, it's sensual, it's sexy, it's a signature scent. It could be worn, like I said, anywhere, anytime, any place. And another thing that's really good about this one and done is that it could be mixed and matched with so many other fragrances. If you have a fragrance that might be really harsh or really strong and you want to soften it, maybe bring it down a tad bit, add a little bit of vanilla 28 to it. If you have a fragrance that maybe is like overbearingly sweet and you want to give it a more warmer vibe with a vanilla to add some depth to it, I would say add vanilla 28. So this is a way when you have a ton of one and dones in your collection that you can mix and match your fragrances and it wouldn't be too off-putting. That's what you want to do, but you always want to play with it because there's no right or wrong, there's no rhyme or reason. I always tell you guys it's what you feel like smelling. I have mixed vanilla 28 and Valentino together. I want you to spray this combo together. Come back and thank me later. This is good. Now this I would definitely put in the date night category. They can stand alone, but they pair so well together. I move on. It wouldn't even be a video if I didn't talk about Coco Chanel. If I did not talk about Chanel, are we really even on the channel of a one and done? I was going to bring over Coco Mademoiselle because that's my tried and true and my favorite. But I thought I'd give a little variety. Every now and again, you know, she'll do that. This is Coco Mademoiselle. She's never gonna stare. She's never gonna stare too far away, darling. This is Coco Mademoiselle, but this is the intense version. This one is a lot softer, in my opinion. It's a tad bit sweeter. The patchouli note is not so abrasively in your face. I make up a lot of words on this channel. Just go with it, okay? We don't need you over here critiquing people, okay? We're having a good time. Stay with me. Now, this is a citrus rosy fragrance. It's got jasmine. It does have patchouli, but it doesn't take over as it does in the original. Vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. This is a rich, classy, elegant, sophisticated fragrance. And the flair in this one, to me, is a tad bit more sexy than the original. And the original is sexy. If you ever, oh my God, it just makes me so happy. If you ever want to think about class and sophistication in a bottle and you don't own any fragrances from Chanel, now it's not gonna be everybody's vibe, but for those of us who love Chanel, put the red heart in the comments section. This is the way to go. If you haven't tried this one, I would say get your nose on it. It's really good. I move on. Another one and done that I've been talking about ever since it came out is Burberry Goddess. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a fresher vanilla in my opinion. It does have the 3 different vanillas, lavender, I believe caviar vanilla in it, the way they were composed 3 different ways. This is a really good fragrance. You could tell by the dent in the bottle that I reach for this a lot. This is another one that can be mixed and matched with so many other fragrances and it can just fit the bill. It's a beautiful fragrance. Like I said, you get the point now of a one and done. Anywhere, anytime, any place. You can wear this to church. You can wear this on a date night. You don't get no different than that. If you know, you know. Ah, it's good. And it's a tad bit sexy. First date kind of sexy. I don't know if I'll go there kind of sexy, but it's definitely like a first date kind of sexy. I move on. Another one. This, all I have is this sample here and I'm holding on to this bottle. Well, I have like 3 of these, so I didn't feel the need to get the full-size bottle, but this is Maison Louise. This is number 4. It's a popular fragrance. It's really good. It's a woody fragrance. So this is for if you want it a little bit hotter, a little bit heavier, and you want that to be your one and done. Think of this as like a Santal 33 by Le Labo. It's a woody fragrance. It's got sandalwood, cedar, nutmeg, amber, and vetiver. It's full body. It's rich. It's long lasting. It's calming. It's kind of therapeutic. Also think of, in a sense, go with me if you can, Musk Therapy by Initial Parfums. It's in that realm of a fragrance, you guys. It is so good and I absolutely love it. And this is one like, God, it's good. Oh, because see, I love Hotel 1 and I love Santal 33. So if that is your vibe, okay, and you were thinking like everybody has Santal 33, I don't know if I really want to buy that or continue rocking that, this is a beautiful fragrance. And this would be an amazing signature scent fragrance, a one and done, anywhere, anytime, any place. It's kind of sexy in my opinion, but at the same time, this is a sexy, bossy, grown woman, if you allow me to say that. It's definitely got a lot of depth to it. I mean, the woody note in here really is strong and it's pronounced and it comes alive and it's like in your face. So if that is your vibe, this will definitely be for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my video today. I truly appreciate you. I love you like I love cooked food. If you have not came over and said hi yet on Instagram, make sure you come over and say hi. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Thank you so much for your video request. This was a video request. If you guys have any videos that you would like to see, make sure you leave them down in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out maxaroma.com if you're interested in saving a few coins on some niche fragrances. All of the information will be linked in the description box below. Ylang Noir is still on sale for 30% off. So if you haven't grabbed it up yet for the deal, for the low, make sure you grab it up. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.